Hey folks, I'm just going to do a wee walking tour from the H10 Salou Princess to the waterfront. So let's check it out. There's the hotel, and there is a couple of ways you can go, I think. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure what's the most efficient. Both have got their benefits. Now, if you go down that way, you come to a market. Down there to the right, and you keep going, you come to a kind of supermarket, which is quite good. Over here, there's mini golf. I've yet to have a game with that, and I might do it in a wee minute. Well, the quickest way is to go in a straight line down here. That'll take you to the waterfront. But I'm going to do a wee quick detour. Okay, so you see down there, that's the quickest way. But I'm going to go this way. And the reason being, there's a wee bit of shops here. Now, I did do a video of just the kind of shops, but I thought I would show you from the H10 Salou Princess. It's a Heineken bar. There's a few bars there. Where that scaffolding is in the background, at the back of that, I think that's right, is where the Dubliner is. Any Celtic fans watching, that's one of the pubs to go to. The other one I would say is the Danny Boy. I never saw any TVs in it, but I wasn't really looking for it, so I don't know, there may or may not be TVs in it. For Jacqueline's taste, we prefer Chaplin's, kind of cabaret stuff. She likes that. So last night it was Cher and Taylor Swift and Girl Band. So I had a good wee time there. I had a good time. Oh, pardon me. I had a good time as well. So yeah, so you walk over here, there's Koala Bay, and here you get all the shops. So you can go down here. If you're into comic books and things like that, and manga and stuff like that, wee shop, Freak Shop Salou, that's quite good for things like that. We were in last night and Jacqueline got a wee bag out of it. Just a Salou one, but I had a look, there's quite a few comic book things there, it's good. I saw the Star Wars toys. I was looking, I wanted to get an Ewok. Jacqueline in her pyjamas, she dresses like an Ewok, dead furry, you know. She hates that, she hates me referring to it as an Ewok. To be fair, she didn't know what an Ewok was until I showed her, then she was horrified. So it's quite a busy wee street this. To imagine at height of summer, it would be really busy. So I'm just back from Tarragona, and I have to say I quite liked that. It was really basically one big street, and then the market and the Roman amphitheatre. I quite liked it. I thought it was quite a nice place to visit. I don't know how good it would be for Jacqueline, because I only saw that one street basically. But we'll see. This is us coming up for like the main strip in Salou. Up there, lots of shops, a couple of arcades. In Delhi's a gamble, there's a gambling arcade up there, and a kids arcade.
Oh, it's still going. It's still going.
Oh, yeah, still going, guys. All right. Some fans. It's going good. Thanks. See you later. I met them the other day, and they were talking to me. So you can check out the wee video of me talking to them. Hopefully, it's some fans. You know, I'm going to get that as my channel grows. Lots of people asking me, is it saying hello? I'm guessing Scotsman Kevin. He does get that a lot. I've seen his videos, and he does get that quite a bit. So there we go. Here's like the main promenade along here. It's a fountain. I'm not sure. I think that lights up at night or something like that. But we haven't seen it, but I think they do something around here. It's Woody Woodpecker. So just going down there, and I don't know if you can see it on here. The sun's right in my eyes, so I can't see. There's the Salou sign, just to the left of that point, I think. Sorry, getting a bit there. It's quite busy there. A lot of people like to go and get a photo taken next to these signs. Done a few ones like that. I've done like Lake Garda had that. I don't think Montreux had one like that. It's a shame, that's a trick Montreux's missing. Or like Geneva, I know I saw any around there. Definitely a good thing to get your photo took. So there's one there and there's one further up down here. In fact, I don't know how far it is, I maybe end the video there. But the other sign that is brilliant to get your photo with, but you'd be lucky to get it, is the Las Vegas sign. I went to do that, and it's just a free-for-all. Just everybody standing there, just waiting for a wee split second they can jump in, get their photo took. Vegas is amazing. If you want to see my Vegas videos, they're on my main channel, Jet Set Dan. This is just my wee channel for walking tours, when I can experiment. My main channel, Jet Set Dan, I do a different hotel video every week, or at least I try to. Sometimes things get in the way, you know, but there are a lot of different types of hotels: budget, luxury, mid-range, unique hotels. We're in Salou and we stayed at the Gold River Hotel, Wild West themed hotel. That was really good. I really liked that. Jacqueline wasn't keen on it, but no, I liked it. It was good, and it's good value if you're staying at the park. I've said this in a couple of videos, but it's a good wee tip. If you're going to go to the theme park for 2 days, see how much it's going to cost you, and then see how much it costs to stay at one of the hotels. Because if you stay at one of the hotels, you get access to the park for 2 days. Now, say check-in's 3 o'clock, you could go there at 10 o'clock in the morning and just leave your bags, and you will get access to the park. So you get 2 full days, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Plus you get breakfast. So weigh it up, is it worth it? I thought so. For us it was well worth it. Well, I should say, I never priced it with Jacqueline being disabled and getting an accessibility ticket, but I think in that case maybe it would be cheaper just going the 2 days separate and not bothering with the hotel. But we're doing a YouTube channel, going and filming the hotel. That the videos will make me money back, so eventually. So it's worth it for me as a YouTuber. But weigh it up and consider it. I think it's worth doing. So anyway, here's the beach. That's a lovely beach. I would say it's way bigger than Benidorm, I would say. least I think it is. Anyone know better, let me know in the comments. It's a lovely beach. I think there's more, I think it's fair to say there's more to do on it. There's like a wee play park there. I'm not wanting to film it because there's rains there. Just try to find the Salou sign. Don't see it. Past the playground, so it's like a wee bar area. It's a nice day. The clouds at the back there, though, they look quite dark. The rain is coming. Well folks, I think I set the other signs further down, and I think I'm going to end the video here. It's getting a bit long, so I try to keep my videos about 15-20 minutes max. Don't want to bore people. So that was the walk from the Salou Princess to the waterfront. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it quite good location wise? I think so. I mean, I did take the kind of long scenic route, but there is a quicker way. And for me, like 5 minutes, between 5 and 10 minutes, I would be on the beach. But I did take a wee detour. So I think what you think. So let me know what you think.
I'm sure was up there.
I hope you've enjoyed this walk. And don't forget to check out my main channel, Jet Set Dan. Okay, I'll leave it there folks, and I'll see you later. Right, bye bye.